feeling of realization.
That'll do. Right, I've got, oh my god, the Proper Job pop-ups are still popped up in the tank. I'll show you them in a minute. 84 days they've been in there, the Proper Job pop-ups, and they're still, well, they're not bolt upright, but they're still upright, that's for sure. I'll show you them in a minute. Anyway, I've got some of the Retro Baits new boilie animal. Yeah. I see it pop up on the Facebook page, new boilie to the range animal, so I thought I'd get a kilo just to have a look at them. And yeah, very nice. Smell lovely, like a fish mealy smell. Not sure what's in them, but yeah, so I'm going to do a bit of a tank test on these. These are shelf life 15mm, and like I say, they are the new Retro Baits animal. They do. They smell really nice. So I'll spin you around and let's have a look. Right, there we go. As you can see, the Proper Job pop-ups are still there, and they're still pretty much bolt upright after 84 days. So let's get these out. Let's do a squish test. God, oh, you can see all the stuff coming off them now, but they're still quite solid. I ain't leaving them in any longer, so I'll call that a do. Wow. There's the other one. This was the pinky one. That the same. It's all the stuff's coming off now, but it's still there. You could still use them. Hello, my name is Proper Job Pop-Up, and I can last for at least 84 days. You know it makes sense. Anyway, so all I'm going to do, I'm just going to drop a few of these in. What we've got, 2, 4, 6. I'll drop 6 in the tank. So as you can see, there they are. That's it. It's as simple as that. We're on the 4th of March today. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'll come back in 6 hours and see how they're doing. How's that? Right, so I'll see you in 6 hours. Tatty, bye for now. Right, back in the shed now after 6 hours, and there's no change. I've just had one out and they're still pretty solid. So 6 hours in, still holding their own. That'll do. Right, we're 12 hours in now. Yeah, 12 hours. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's still firm. Well, started to break up though. Surfaces started to break up, but they're still solid. So I think once that starts to happen, you know, the water gets inside and then it's just a matter of time. So anyway, I shall see you. It's going to be 24 hours next. So it'll be the full 24 hours. So I'll see you in 24 hours. That'll do. Right, 24 hours in now. Yeah, 24 hours in. So let's have a look. "24 hours in." Oh yeah, very soft. Very soft. Yeah. Yeah, 24 hours. So, somewhere between the 12-hour and the 24-hour, it's decided to smells. The smell is still there. Ooh, yeah. Not sure what's in them. I'm no expert on what's inside a boilie, and I wouldn't tell you, even if I knew. We'll leave that to the retro baits to. That's their ingredients, but yeah, plenty in them. Yeah, so retro baits animal. That's a pass. It is for me anyway. Obviously everybody's opinions are different on bait, but animal 15mm from retro baits. Get on them.